Buongiorno a tutti! Welcome back to my little kitchen in Lecce in the south of Italy. My name's Francesco and today I'm going to show you how to make another delicious Italian salad. Not because I'm on a diet, but because I got these beautiful puntarelle today. This is a kind of chicory, and as you can see it grows in very thick stalks. And what they do in Rome is that they take these, they cut the stalks into very thin strips. I have a special tool to do that, but I'll show you how you can do it just using a knife if you want to make them. And you make a simple dressing out of garlic, anchovies, lemon juice and some good olive oil. So it's a very simple dish, it's very delicious, and even though I'd normally at this point say let's cook, everything's raw. So I'll just say let's do this. For today's recipe you are going to need puntarelle, garlic, anchovies, lemon juice and some good extra virgin olive oil.